think we're live. Okay, so I'm back on this website. What am I doing? Okay, so I am just going to export some products because I've got some attributes to upload and there's quite a few of them, and I thought this would be the quickest way. So we have our, I like to do an export first so I know that everything's in the right order. So we're just creating our export, which I really only just need the attributes. Not those ones. It will be, where are they? Taxonomies, I believe they are. We've got categories in there too. They might already be in there. I wish you could sort this alphabetically. That is a little bit annoying. Media, custom fields. Maybe it's in custom fields. Hey, I'm not too sure if that's right because I have added some advanced custom fields with similar names during the development, and you know, just as I was trying to work out how I wanted to structure everything. So, but I think it might be in this section here. Default attributes. I'll have a quick look at that. Product attributes. Let's see if that will print out the product attributes. PA. I'm just curious, is there other ones? No, there's not. So it's definitely not any of those. Product data. Maybe it's in here. Attributes. Let's check that one as well. Type. So basically what I'm doing is I'm pulling out the fields to be able to export particular fields into a spreadsheet, so I can then make changes on the spreadsheet and upload all the information in one go. Attribute description. Yeah, I think that's all the options that we've got for the moment. The all important coffee. Okay, that should be fine. We'll run that. And dink, CSV. And let's open this up. Now you should be able to see this, I'm pretty sure. Whoa, hang on a second. Is my video really, really big? I have no idea. Hang on. Let's see. Is that better? I don't know if that changed anything. Let me just move that over a little bit. That's better. Oh, good. Right, okay, so here is, let's bring that over. Here is our spreadsheet. So it looks like we have selected the right the right fields to export, and we've got color, current height, foliage. Excellent. And just thinking we might, I don't know if I'm going to have to upload that information. That is our categories. I think that information is correct. So all the columns that we don't need to deal with, I might just color them. Let's just make them blue for now. Okay, attribute PA colors. Interesting. Product foliage type. Okay, we'll use these. Okay, I'm just trying to work out which column we'll use, but I don't think it really matters because we can import them, we just need to import them the same way. So computer gets really slow when I'm streaming, so just weird things happen and I'm like, hey, that doesn't normally happen. And I'm wondering if it's, you know, maybe something to do with my computer taking up, like not being fast enough, but I couldn't imagine that being the case, but we'll see. Okay, so we've got our, wonder if you can see that a bit better. Okay, so we've got our Google spreadsheet and we've got our Excel, and I'll just open that. These ones are our variable products. I'm just going to bold those so we don't need to deal with them. I might just make everything blue so I can see. Oh, I know what I'm missing. I am getting old. Oh, that's terrible. Need to clean these. I really like to clean my monitor too at some point. Okay. So, doesn't look like they're in, are they in alphabetical order? No. Okay. I think the easiest way would be to put these excluding the variables. So what's, I think that one's the, so these ones are the variations and this one is the variables, see 351, 351. So we don't want to deal with those ones. Just make those yellow. Okay, and then we just want to sort these ones by alphabetical order. So where's our sort? There's our sort. I don't really use Excel much anymore. Sort smallest, custom sort, no header, sort by column B. Lovely. Okay, so our colors, we should just be able to copy these. Boxes dark green. Lovely. And I have a feeling that instead of there being a comma, we're going to have to replace that with a pipe. So we want to replace comma space with space pipe space. Right. Okay, just comma then. Place. Why can't it find a match? I can see a comma, you can see a comma. What is going on? There we go. And say find next, replace. There we go. Lovely. Okay, so the next one is the current height, which we'll work out later because we haven't actually been given that information. So foliage type, it looks like that's all evergreen. The product mature height. Okay, now I do recall that we made these all a little bit more uniform, so let's just make all these how, you know, so that they look nice and that they'll sort well. So 4 meters to 10 meters, 30 centimeters to 60 centimeters, and then 1 meter. I think we did this as 1 meter to 60 centimeters, or 1 meter / 60 centimeters, I'm pretty sure. And that way it should sort, yeah, it should sort reasonably well. There'll still be some issues like with with those ones there, but I think we can actually order them how we like in the attributes list. Product mature width. Okay. So, why did it do that? Mature width. Centimeters. 1 meter to 2 meter. So a lot of this stage is just, I guess, you know, what do they call it? Cleaning up data. I thought there was a 2 to 4 meter one. I'm sure there was already a 2 to 4 meter one. No, there we go. Okay, what's the next one? Whether it's a native or not. Yes, and then we've got the product habit. And I can close all that. Sorry, paste all that and then roll them up so it's a little bit easier to see. And then we've got product position and then soil type, uses, and then attributes, which I don't think we need. So I'm going to put these columns in the right order so we only have to do one paste. So what's the first one? Position goes first, then soil, then uses. Where's habit? Did we do habit? That was that one. Okay, so position, soil, uses. Position, soil, uses. Lovely. Copy all those in, and now what we're going to do is what we did before there was to replace the comma with a pipe. Replace. I think we can just go replace all. Lovely. Close that. Now take a quick look at this in its entirety. I don't think all that other stuff are things we need to really worry about. We should be able to, we should have enough information to import that information. So we can remove those ones. And I'm just going to spread these out so I can see what the data looks like. Just make sure, I'll just check if there's anything that I might want to change or update. I think it looks okay. I might actually change some of these with a pipe. There we go. Sweet. Okay, now I can save that. And that is saved. And yeah, plugins. We can activate our import plugins when it wants to. And I'd really like to turn that off. I find it really annoying. Oh, there we go. I wonder if there's a way to turn that off easily. If anyone knows how to get rid of that, let me know. Hey. custom fields, all import, new import. And we're going to upload the file we just saved, which I should have taken note where we saved it to. It's in downloads. So downloads. Where am I? This one? Date modified 26th of the 11th. Where am I? Maybe it's in documents. I'll see if I can find it. Upload file. It's supposed to be in my downloads folder, but I can't actually find it. Maybe that's not my downloads folder. Huh. Let's commit to a different Google Drive.